In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debug Java code in Google Gemini. If you've ever been stuck on a stubborn compile error or a bug that only appears at runtime, Gemini can act like a thoughtful second set of eyes that walks through your code with you and explains what's going on. Start by opening Google Gemini in your browser and creating a fresh chat. Keep your goal in mind. You want clear explanations and practical fixes. It helps to have your code editor open side by side so you can quickly apply changes and retest as you go. Next, paste your Java code snippet into the chat. Share just enough to reproduce the issue, including the method or class where the problem occurs and any relevant imports. If you have an error message or stack trace, include that too. The extra context leads to better answers. Be careful not to paste any sensitive information. You only need the technical parts of the code for effective debugging. Now ask Gemini to find and explain errors or potential issues. Be explicit about the type of problem you care about. You can request help with compile time errors, such as missing symbols or type mismatches. If the code compiles but crashes, ask for runtime error analysis, like null pointer exceptions, array bounds issues, or resource leaks. When the code runs but gives the wrong result, call out that you need logical error detection and edge case review. Ask for a line-by-line explanation where needed so you know exactly what to change and why. Request suggested fixes and improvements, and if you want to go further, ask for best practices or optimizations, such as clearer naming, safer resource handling, or more efficient data structures. Let Gemini generate the debugging analysis and read it carefully. Look for concrete references to line numbers or specific symbols, and pay attention to the reasoning behind each recommendation. If something isn't clear, ask follow-up questions and request a revised example using your snippet so you can copy the changes confidently. Apply the suggested changes in your editor and test the code for correct functionality. Make one change at a time, recompile, and run. If the original error shifts to a new location or a different message appears, share that update with Gemini and keep iterating. When everything compiles and your tests or sample inputs produce the expected output, you're done. As a final pass, consider adopting any best practice improvements that make the code more readable and maintainable. That's it. With clear prompts, focused feedback, and quick iteration, Gemini becomes a reliable partner for debugging Java.